Scalp Detox steps, take 5 mark.
Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. Too fast. This is the Scalp Detox. Over time, sweat, dead skin cells, and product built up on the scalp, clogging the hair follicle and stopping nutrients being delivered. This leads to excess oil, scalp conditions like dandruff, hair cycles slow down, and overall feeling of dull, lifeless hair. Sound familiar? The detox gently removes buildup, hydrates the scalp, and balances oil, leading to healthier hair growth. Using the nozzle, twist to the top like so, and you're going to trace it along the hairline, not squeezing or shaking. An inch apart, you're going to trace it the whole way down the back of the scalp. It's so easy to do, and it literally takes 2 minutes. You can use a little bit on your fingertips, massage in, just to get to the back area where you might have missed. Gently massage. Oh, it feels so good and smells amazing. Once you've finished massaging in, you're going to leave for 10 to 20 minutes to allow it to do its magic. This is our Scalp Gua Sha, a widely practiced therapeutic healing tool. It stems from Chinese traditional medicine. It promotes microcirculation, it massages the scalp for increased product absorption, and it helps with tension and overall relaxation. Once you've applied your favorite scalp treatment, you're going to follow with the Gua Sha tool. You're going to use the combing action starting on the forehead, just gently tracing over the scalp all the way down throughout the whole scalp. I feel little tingles already. So just follow the scalp the whole way around, like so. And very gentle with this. You don't need to apply too much pressure. Use the back of this, and you're going to drain through the lymphatic drainage here. And through here on the same side, on the other side. And we're done.